Tawheed is the central and most important concept in Islam. It emphasizes the absolute oneness and uniqueness of God, known as Allah. This principle affirms that God is indivisible and without any partners or equals. God is recognized as the sole creator and sustainer of the entire universe. All forms of worship and devotion are directed exclusively to God alone. Tawhid rejects any form of idolatry, polytheism, or associating partners with God. Salat, the 5 daily prayers, is a mandatory practice in Islam. These prayers are performed at dawn, noon, afternoon, sunset, and night. Salat serves as a direct spiritual connection between the worshipper and God. Each prayer includes specific rituals, Quranic recitations, and physical postures to promote discipline and reflection. Zakat is a mandatory form of charity in Islam. It requires Muslims to donate a portion of their wealth. The recipients of zakat are the poor and needy. Zakat aims to purify wealth and reduce economic inequality. It also promotes social justice within the community. Zakat funds support the impoverished, orphans, and those in debt.